Hello all, this is Gilles. I returned today I needed to speak a little bit more about this process. I'm still convalescent. I was really sick last night, and I discovered this process of taking a bath with baking soda and vinegar. I put the protocol here, and I think that could be a possibility to explore, to see if that could assist the world in this time of uncertainties with this pathogen. If that would work, it could be implemented. Hopefully not after the crisis. But check it out. It's not that difficult to implement, to check, to verify if this works. And if it doesn't work, my apologies. It was just something that came from intuition. That sort of, but there is no danger to anyone. Anybody that's confined at home with this illness could take this bath to see if it feels better, and if it does work, to implement it, to mobilize the swimming pool, the city swimming pools, and rather than people going to the hospital, they would go through those baths. If it works, it is about if it does work, it would be for really like the mercy of God in this time. For God gave me this to heal me, and He asked me to share that, and so I don't have the secretariat to send hundreds of letters to all the heads of states right now. I'm not really equipped. But the OMS and the United Nations should be aware of that. So at least because it's something that could be tested without any risk to anyone, and in case it works, for there is some things in nature that are very mysterious, like if you take oxygen and hydrogen, for instance, there are two gas that burns naturally, and they can even explode, but then if you put them together, two atoms of hydrogen and one of oxygen, it creates liquid water that extinguishes fire. If we didn't have this substance in abundance within ourselves and in our planet, we would have never discovered it. Never the mathematician would have thought that adding those two products together would create this super additive substance that would extinguish fire. Nothing could have revealed, when you look at hydrogen and oxygen, that it could actually become something so different that we call liquid water, that we know liquid water extinguish fire, but mathematically it was so improbable. And so those were gifts from nature, the gift from God, and so there are many examples in nature where hopefully we're going to be coming to the discovery of many natural cure that may not be profitable, but will be able to assist in the recovery of greatest collective health. So I thought to bring this message. I thank you for liking, sharing, for commenting, for letting me know what you think, and maybe forwarding these ideas to those who would be able to benefit from it. And until it is tested, there is no way to. If it doesn't work, I apologize. It's for the time spent in this. But searching for simple solution that could bring hope, and if it works, it would really bring us a coming out of this crisis in an easier way. That being said, we cannot deprive humanity of their lesson. For right now, every systems of government are being challenged and tested, and all the weaknesses of the system in relationship to the social and medical, everything that is really put to the test. And so we're going to come out stronger. We're going to learn a lot from this experience. Yet, if this contribution, hopefully, this will work, and it will be like something we can hang on to, because right now we have no clue on how to not get. Some people could not we don't have any solution that would be immediate. So this those kind of baths hopefully will serve as a healing tool. Well, I hope this message was interesting for you, and we'll see what unfolds from that. We're passing through this full moon. I'm going to talk a little bit about. For this it is a very it's a beautiful moon in the sky. For the moon is really the conductor of is our emotional states, and so we need to clear up. Fear is really what we need to get rid of through this process. This fear of death, fear of illness, fear of each other, fear of all the fear has to be discharged, and that's the whole point of this process. There was a great philosopher that mentioned that the only thing to fear is fear itself. This quotation has been attributed to hundreds of people, but the first one who actually claimed that, I think, was Sun Tzu in The Art of War in the 6th century BC, a great book of strategy, for a military strategy, but he brought a lot of important concept into the paintings behind me. Here is a white wall, and this is a portrait of the Earth, so beloved, our beloved planet. That's kind of lost. There is no star or anything. She's just standing in this cosmos. The highest wisdom for us today is the Lady of Gabriel, mature, practical, generous, and happy. Take care of yourself and those you love. Capacity to make everything more beautiful, practical and wise advice. So maybe what I'm saying here is with this bath is I'm sorry, I made a mistake between the two videos. I tried to drink a cup of coffee and I'm like completely shaken up. It was a mistake, but I'm gonna have to digest it. So it is about taking care of the world, taking care of those I love. I love humanity. I love my planet. So I feel I have to share those ideas. And so here she's really a card of abundance, and she's really living in abundance. What we need to understand is the moon. The moon is sometimes the illusion, the archangel Eniel, the opportunity to refine your project. Let yourself be guided by your intuition. Confront your fears to be stronger. So the spirit is really putting me already in the after crisis and traveling to Rome, or going to London, going to the United States, to Asia. For this, there are going to be many things. It's like even when I was so sick, was yesterday. It was like the spirit was saying, everything will be completely forgotten. This is just a passage, and it's like, so we have to pass through that and already prepare the after. For the card, what we need to do is the Seven of Raphael. It is time to make a decision. Identify clearly what you want and then act. Need to purify yourself. So same thing with me here. It's like I do need to continue this purification. That's what the fasting may be useful for this. And the outcome is to change your life. It's the Archangel Samuel. Sudden revelation that allows you to see freedom. Do not postpone until tomorrow what needs to be done today. Grasp every opportunity that offer every changes. So hopefully this information will come up to the right persons, and they will be able to verify this potential for curing the people that have been affected by these pathogens. And so I'm going to sing a song. It was a song that went through my head not all night, but all morning, and so I sang it. I sang it before, but song of David Bowie. It goes like this. We passed upon the stairs, we spoke of what and when, although I wasn't there. He said I was his friend, which came as a surprise. I spoke into his eyes, I thought you died alone, a long time ago. Who knows? Not me, we never lost control. Your face to face with the man who sold the world. I laughed and shook his hand and made my way back home. I searched for foam and land, for years and years I roamed. I gazed a gazeless stare and walked a million hills. I must have died alone a long time ago. Who knows? Not me. I never lost control. Your face to face with the man who sold the world. Voilà, we're going to put this in music really soon. I'm going to be more serious about all that, for everything is coming together. There's all kind of wonderful things that will come as a result of this transformation. It is a time that's also that's tuned into the salvation, because we have no choice but to turn within and to face all those things. All the dysfunction within our personal life are also being addressed through this process. So we have to have faith and trust that we can let go of the old, and we'll be able to move into a new sphere that will be free and happy. And the card of the day, as is a big surprise, it's health. it's all about health, about returning to this natural state of health, to let go a little bit of all those pleasures that are completely, as we let go of the lower pleasures, and for a time we are able to discover new forms of connection that are more natural and will free us, will become more conscious. Well, I thank you very much for liking, sharing, commenting, letting me know what you think about all that and how you feel in relationship to all those times. And for soon we'll be back into the saddle, will be our mission will be to recreate a new world with new ideas, and so a world where everybody will be able to contribute to its level of desires, so I wish you a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Thank you very much. Namaste.